Wait. Stop everything. What I am about to tell you will change how you see the universe forever. Imagine, if you can, that we've been living in a universe where planets were mere whispers in the cosmic winds, easily missed among the swirling clouds of stars and dust. Now, imagine our galaxy has just transformed into something far more vivid, with clear pictures revealing details of unseen worlds right before our eyes. That's what happened when astronomers captured direct images of an exoplanet for the very first time. For years, we've been peering at distant suns through telescopes and waiting patiently to get a glimpse of planets in their natural light. The challenge? Many are lost in the glare of their parent stars or obscured by dust and gas. But here's a mind-blowing fact: this exoplanet was so far away from its star that it shone as brightly as Venus does in our night sky, even with Earth's atmosphere dimming its light. Another astonishing detail is how crisp these images are. You can actually see the rings around the planet and the shadows cast by clouds moving across its surface. Now, to make things even more incredible, this exoplanet isn't like any we've seen before. It's a Jupiter-like gas giant, but it has distinct structures never observed before. Imagine seeing not just any swirling winds but actual storm systems on another world, complete with possible jet streams and cloud patterns unlike anything scientists expected. But hold your horses, folks. We're getting ready for the final revelation: that very planet might be harboring signs of water. Scientists are already studying how this discovery could lead to new understanding about habitable worlds, but they've yet to confirm it conclusively. The hunt continues, and we're all eagerly waiting to see what other surprises these stunning images might hold. So stay tuned, because just like in any great mystery story, there's always more to discover. And remember, this is just the beginning of a cosmic adventure that could rewrite our understanding of planetary systems forever. But here is where things get absolutely insane. Now, we've seen this incredible exoplanet in detail, and it's unlike anything we've ever observed before. Imagine a planet that's as large as Jupiter but with the structure of Saturn. The rings are so clear you can almost touch them, reflecting light much like our own moon reflects sunlight from Earth. These rings aren't just any old planetary feature either. They're made up of thousands of moons and asteroids circling around it, all orbiting within a tight embrace that would be as awe-inspiring to see with your naked eye from a distance as the rings of Saturn are spectacular to us. The clouds on this planet are also unlike anything we've seen. They move in such dramatic patterns that they create complex weather systems much like Earth's but on an enormous scale, almost akin to watching hurricanes form and dissipate over vast oceans. These storms could be raging at hurricane-like speeds, or they might have features so intricate you'd need a magnifying glass of sorts to fully appreciate their beauty. The planet itself is not just a giant gas ball, it has distinct structures that scientists are still parsing through the data. Imagine if we were looking at Mount Everest from Mars and trying to figure out what makes up this mountain, its layers, whether it's smooth or rough on the surface, how water might be interacting with it. This planet offers us a similar challenge but on an entirely different scale. But here is where things get absolutely insane: this exoplanet isn't just gas, it's harboring signs of water. The scientists have identified features that could indicate liquid oceans beneath its icy surfaces. Picture this: you're standing on the surface, looking up into the sky and seeing a blue hue because below you lies vast oceans, perhaps even larger than Earth's total volume. Scientists are still analyzing these incredible findings to fully understand what they mean for our understanding of planetary systems and habitability. But there's something else about this discovery that's making them question everything they thought they knew: the exoplanet is orbiting a star that seems to be dying. It's giving us a glimpse into the future, of how stars might evolve from young suns like ours to aging red dwarfs. And what I am about to tell you next will make you question everything you thought you knew. We're looking at planetary systems through a new lens, understanding them as complex ecosystems with their own unique stories and dynamics. This exoplanet is more than just another discovery, it's part of a cosmic mystery that could rewrite our theories on planetary formation and the likelihood of finding habitable worlds elsewhere in the universe. Stay tuned for what's next in this incredible journey into the unknown. But here is where things get absolutely insane. The structure of our exoplanet isn't alone in its complexity, its atmosphere is a mind-blowing cocktail of elements we've never seen before. Picture this: if you had the ability to drink every single element that makes up our planet's atmosphere, it would be like drinking an entire ocean's worth of water and then consuming the equivalent of 10 Amazon rainforests worth of carbon dioxide. This atmospheric diversity is unparalleled in anything we've ever encountered within our solar system or beyond. And here are 3 more shocking facts about this exoplanet that will make your head spin. 1. Imagine standing at the equator on this planet and looking down towards one side of the globe. What you see could change within seconds due to its incredibly fast rotation speed. It's like watching 2 sunrises or sunsets occurring in rapid succession, all from your vantage point. And what I am about to tell you next will make you question everything you thought you knew. We're looking at planetary systems through a new lens, understanding them as complex ecosystems with their own unique stories and dynamics. This exoplanet is more than just another discovery, it's part of a cosmic mystery that could rewrite our theories on planetary formation and the likelihood of finding habitable worlds elsewhere in the universe. Stay tuned for what's next in this incredible journey into the unknown. As we peer into deeper exploration, scientists are now focusing on a startling new aspect of this exoplanet's structure: its potential for harboring liquid water oceans beneath its icy crust. This discovery is both exhilarating and terrifying. Imagine if you could travel to one of these distant worlds where under the surface lies a vast ocean, possibly bigger than Earth's own seas combined. The idea that life might be surviving in this environment is like finding a hidden oasis in the harshest deserts. This theory has scientists genuinely scared by what it means for our understanding of planetary systems and even the potential for extraterrestrial life. If true, it challenges everything we thought we knew about where to look for signs of life beyond Earth. It's a double-edged sword. On one hand, it opens up new avenues for discovery that could transform how we search for habitable worlds. On the other hand, it also raises questions and ethical dilemmas about whether or not such an environment is something we should intentionally seek out. Scientists are genuinely scared by what this means because they realize that these conditions, while potentially enabling life to exist, might also pose incredible challenges in terms of terraforming and even potential long-term impacts on our own biosphere. The prospect of altering another world for human use or exploration strikes a chord deeply with both the scientific curiosity and societal concerns. We are not done here though. What comes next is the part that keeps astronomers up at night. Every piece of information we gather about this exoplanet could be pushing us closer to answering one of humanity's most profound questions: are we alone in the universe? The complexity, intrigue, and potential implications continue to grow with each new observation and analysis. Scientists are racing against time as they unlock more secrets, understanding that the stakes might be even higher than previously imagined. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of this exoplanet, new traits emerge from its structure that are both stunning and perplexing. What scientists have discovered is a system completely unlike any planetary environment known before. The exoplanet exhibits an extreme tilt in its orbit around its host star, akin to Uranus but on an even larger scale. This orbital inclination has led to the formation of vast rings encircling the planet, composed of ice particles. These rings are not just visually impressive, they also contribute significantly to our understanding of stellar interactions and gravitational dynamics in far-flung regions of the cosmos. The discovery highlights how intricate planetary systems can be and opens a new window into studying such phenomena. Another staggering fact is the exoplanet's atmosphere, which is characterized by an unprecedented amount of water vapor, far more than Earth's own atmosphere contains. This revelation has scientists racing to comprehend if this planet could be capable of supporting not just life, but advanced civilizations with sophisticated technologies developed under these unique atmospheric conditions. The discovery of such a complex and diverse exoplanet ecosystem challenges traditional scientific models and paradigms. It suggests that planets can form and maintain environments vastly different from what we've previously envisioned. This revelation is a true testament to the ingenuity and depth of human exploration in space. Reflecting on this, it's hard not to marvel at the sheer scope of our universe. Here is a planet that has evolved under conditions utterly alien to Earth, yet it contains features so rich and varied they challenge everything we thought possible. The very existence of such a world pushes us beyond our current understanding and makes us question where else in the cosmos this kind of diversity might be found. Scientists are genuinely scared by what this means for our understanding of planetary systems. If these types of exoplanets with their complex climates, atmospheres, and even habitable zones can exist, it raises the possibility that life could evolve in ways we have not yet imagined or predicted. It also underscores how our search for signs of extraterrestrial life is likely to be more extensive and diverse than previously thought. We are not done here though. What comes next is the part that keeps astronomers up at night. Every new piece of data gathered about this exoplanet could push us closer to answering one of humanity's most profound questions: are we alone in the universe? The complexity, intrigue, and potential implications continue to grow with each new observation and analysis. And now, the thing that absolutely no one expected. The final piece. What they found on this planet is a superstorm unlike anything seen before, a planetary-scale storm so vast it could engulf multiple Earths. This storm moves at incredible speeds across the surface of the exoplanet, driven by powerful winds reaching up to 3 times higher than any hurricane on Earth. This discovery shakes everything we thought we knew about extreme weather and atmospheric dynamics in distant worlds. It paints a picture of planetary environments that are not only complex but also capable of generating phenomena that defy human imagination. As scientists gather this last piece of the puzzle, they must navigate through uncharted territory where understanding and predicting the behavior of these exotic atmospheres could have profound implications for our future exploration beyond Earth's atmosphere. The potential risks and opportunities associated with studying such worlds are staggering. In summary, we stand at a crossroads in cosmic discovery. We've reached this point by uncovering astonishing new traits about an exoplanet that challenges everything we know and pushes the boundaries of what science can explore. And now, as they finally unveil the final piece, it will be even more breathtaking than anyone could have anticipated. As they stand at the edge of discovery, the team is left in awe, their hearts racing with excitement as they watch their work finally pay off. The final piece they had been seeking has come through. What they found is a superstorm unlike anything seen before, a planetary-scale storm so vast it could engulf multiple Earths. This storm moves at incredible speeds across the surface of the exoplanet, driven by powerful winds reaching up to 3 times higher than any hurricane on Earth. It's not just a physical marvel, but also an environmental and atmospheric phenomenon that defies explanation within our current understanding of planetary science. The implications are mind-boggling. This storm is so massive it could affect the climate of the entire planet in ways we can barely fathom. Its impact on ecosystems, weather patterns, and even the very habitability of the exoplanet is profound. It shifts everything we know about extreme weather and environmental dynamics. This discovery sets a new bar for what we consider possible in planetary science. It suggests that our current models and understanding may need to be rewritten to account for such phenomena. The implications extend far beyond this single exoplanet, challenging us to re-evaluate our assumptions about life's potential elsewhere in the universe. We stand on the precipice of a new era where we might discover planets capable of sustaining not just simple life forms, but complex civilizations with advanced technologies that have evolved under unique atmospheric conditions. The very existence of such environments raises profound questions. Are we alone? What other forms of intelligence could exist out there? This discovery has given us pause to reflect on the vastness and complexity of our universe. It highlights how much more there is to discover, how little we truly understand about what lies beyond Earth's atmosphere. The potential for life in distant worlds not only expands our horizons but also stirs deep-seated existential curiosity. In the grand scheme of things, this moment marks a significant milestone in human exploration and discovery. It reminds us that with each new piece of information, we move closer to unraveling one of the universe's greatest mysteries, the possibility of life elsewhere. This revelation also underscores the importance of continued scientific inquiry and exploration. The future is full of possibilities. The next generation of scientists will be faced with these questions. What would it mean if another world like this exoplanet could support life? How might our perception of humanity's place in the universe change? These are not just academic queries, they have real-world implications that could shape how we approach interstellar exploration and even our relationship to space itself. The discovery we've made today is only one small piece of a much larger puzzle. There are countless more exoplanets out there waiting for us, each with its own unique story to tell about the cosmos. As we continue to explore these distant worlds, we not only push the boundaries of science but also deepen our connection to humanity's place in the universe. The journey from discovery to application is just beginning. The work ahead will be challenging and exciting, pushing us to think beyond what we currently know. If this blew your mind, smash subscribe and turn on notifications. Because we cover facts like this every single week. Join us as we continue to explore the wonders of our universe together.